Welcome back, everybody. Crazy Pop here. Today we're going to be making some pork belly burnt ends. I got these two pork bellies right here from my local butcher. As you can see, they're beautiful. Basically all they are is just one big slab of bacon. Comes off the belly of the pig. So today what we're going to do is make some burnt ends with them. There's about 16 pounds here, so it should make a lot of burnt ends. So what we're going to do is slide one of them out of the way. And what you want to do is just, ain't gonna be precise, just one about 1 inch by 1 inch cubes. So we're gonna get them all cubed up, and then we're gonna put some seasoning on them, and then we're gonna throw them on a smoker. So let's get all these things cubed up, and we'll be back. Alright, once you get them cubed up, you want to take some BBQ Rub and go all over them. We'll get every side, cover them all up. Use whatever kind of rub you want. Like I said, this is a normal rub that we make that we like. Works out real well. Just make sure you cover everything. Get all sides covered. And get this done, and then we'll get ready to put them on the smoker. Be back in a little bit. Alright, we're going to get the grill warmed up now. We got it set on 275. We're going to use some applewood pellets for this cook. So once it gets up to temp, we'll put all the pork belly burnt ends on there and get them ready to start cooking. Alright, we got them on the grill now. We're going to let them cook for about 3 hours with this applewood smoke just soaking into it. And just let it get good and tender. Then we're going to take them off and really put the treatment to it. So let's close her down and let them cook. Okay, it's been right at 3 hours now. So what we're going to do now, go ahead and take these up. Boy, them things are looking good, ain't they? We'll go ahead and take these up, put them in a pan. Then we're gonna, oh yeah, they're good and tender too. Then we're gonna put some stuff on them. So let's get them all taken up, take them back inside, and show you what we're gonna do next. All right, we got them back inside now. What we're gonna do is transfer some into a pan. And what we're going to do is all of them. Just don't put too many in one pan at a time. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and throw some more butter. I got a whole stick here. Just throw it around. Then we're going to throw some brown sugar on it. And then about a half a cup of honey. We're going to put a cup of brown sugar on it. So that's 1 stick of butter. A cup of brown sugar. And just spread it around like that. And a half a cup of honey. Then we're going to cover this back up, put it back on the grill, and just let it simmer and baste in this. And this is really going to make it really, really good and sweet. Just drizzle the honey over it. Alright, we'll cover this in tin foil and put it back on the grill. Alright, we ended up with 3 pans to put back on the grill. And we got some smoked mac and cheese that we're cooking also. So we're going to leave this cook a little over an hour and then take them up. Be right back. Alright, we got them back inside now. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take them. Oh yeah, look at that. They're looking good. We're going to take them out of this braising liquid. And we're going to transfer them over to this empty pan. And we got some glaze here. I'm going to put the recipe down in the description below of what the glaze is. So we're going to transfer them over to the pan and glaze them up. Be back in just a second. Alright, so we're just going to take them and put them in this other pan. Put some barbecue sauce and this glaze on it, which is really going to make it taste great. It tastes good as they are. Or so I've heard. You know, I haven't tried one yet. So let's get them all in the pan and get them glazed up, and we'll get them back on the grill and just let the glaze sit and take them back up and see what we have. Alright, we got them all transferred into other pans. Now we're going to just take some of the glaze and just pour on them. We're going to put it back on the grill for about 10 or 15 minutes just to let that glaze caramelize and set, and then these will be ready. So let's get these mixed up, get the glaze all over, and we'll put them back on the grill. We got them on the grill now, so we're just gonna let these things set for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let that barbecue sauce caramelize a little bit, and then we should be able to ready to take them up and see how they are. So we'll close it down, let them cook. All right, we got them off the grill now. Let's take some out and see how they look. Oh yeah, them are gonna be good. See how juicy, yeah, see how tender they are? Just fall apart tender, look at that. Alright, let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to check out our other videos and hit that subscribe button. See you next time.